Hey dude, why do we call it a building if it's already built? What? Wait. Hey bro, you were once the youngest person in the entire world. Your age is just the number of times that you've orbited around a burning ball of gas. Your bed is just a charger for your body. The fly loses its wings. Is it now called a walk?
Everyone, who wants to play two truths and a lie?
Oh, I'll go first. I'm really small, my eyes are green, and a huge building once fell on top of me, almost killing me.
Yeah, Webby McGee, nice try, but it's gotta be a little bit more complicated than that. Tony, his eyes are brown. A building what?
请长官训话。各位水警特技队队员，只要各位把当罗京的特产精神用来打海岛，不需要你们